Are you talking about biscuits and gravy? Yeah, that's my shit. Are you talking about biscuits and gravy? Yes, that's my shit. You bitches talking about biscuits and gravy? Yeah, that's my shit.
Hey, what are you doing over there?
Auditioning for a part.
Y'all talking about biscuits and gravy? Yams, man, that's my jam!
Nice, biscuits and gravy spokesperson? I'm all for that.
Yeah, buddy. You know me. I love my biscuits and gravy. So I figure I'm going to give it my best shot. This one right here. This is the winner. Doth thou speak of biscuits and gravy, my lords and ladies? Yea, verily. The biscuits like the fullness of life, and the gravy akin the warmth of the daily sun. Both in perfect complement to one another, as benevolent king and queen over this breakfast land.
Oh, you know what I think? I think you should make your own studio. That's what I think.
Well, biscuits and gravy, that's a great idea. I could build my own padded room. Let's get to work.
It ain't no maybe how I love biscuits and gravy. And it's not just for breakfast or brunch. No way, buddy. Any time of day is perfect for that biscuits and gravy way. Assemble sausage, salt and pepper, milk, flour, and the fluffiest of biscuits, and you've got a meal fit for royalty. So go ahead, you Duke and Duchesses of dinner, you madmen and mavens of the midnight snack. Biscuits and gravy is perfect any time. Enjoy.